Tony.
Hey kids, can you name the car? Let's find out! What car is this? Look closer. Tesla! What about this car? Check it out! Chevrolet! What car is this? Look carefully. Toyota! What about this car? Look closer. Mazda! What car is this? Check it out. Renault! What about this car? Look carefully. Mercedes! What car is this? Look closer. Volkswagen! What about this car? Check it out! BMW! What car is this? Look carefully. Audi! What about this car? Look closer. Nissan! What car is this? Check it out! Honda! What about this car? Look carefully. Hyundai! What car is this? Look closer. Mitsubishi! What about this car? Check it out! Skoda! Great job, kids! See you next time!